Greetings. We are living in some trying times, and these trying times are weighty on the heart. And I don't know about you, but I know that my heart has been burdened. My friends, my family, my clients, people's hearts are feeling very weighty. And so these are a few different energy medicine exercises that can help to relieve your heart of its burden. But I do hope you'll read the blog that accompanies this video, because I talk there too about our spiritual heart and what that means and how we can uplift our vibration and relieve our spiritual heart of some of the weight. This is how we can do things energetically. They're going to help that. The first exercise is Donna Eden calls it the blowout. She used to call it expelling the venom. I really like to call it expelling the embarrassment, expelling the frustration, expelling the I cannot frickin' believe this is happening. Whatever it is that you're carrying, we want to get that out of the system first. So rub hands, shake them off, hands on the thighs, nice full breath in. Exhale, feeling your feet on the ground. And now from your toes, you're going to pull the energy up from your toes all the way up over your head in fists. And then we're going to exhale with the sound shh. And we're going to send all that energy down into the earth, where it will be transformed, purified, and prepared to be energy to circulate and in some other way. So here we go. Inhale, pulling up. Exhale with the sound shh. Send it into the ground. Shh. Shh. And this time it's going to be nice and controlled. Shh. Into the ground. And now let's shake it off. Shake it off your legs. Shake it off your arms. Shake it off your booty. Shake it off your hips. Excellent. Now we've got a clear palette to work with. What I want to do now is really rub and massage the heart chakra. So we're going to make space for energy to move in the heart chakra. I'm sorry, in the heart meridian. The heart meridian starts underneath the arm, comes down the inside of the arm, along and off of the baby finger. Now there's going to be a spot right here in the wrist. This is called the source point. We're going to want to use that source point and give that one a special rub. So with your knuckles from underneath, just give a vigorous rub along that inner line, especially giving the source point an extra rub, and then on the palm and off of the pinky finger. Let's do that a second time. Vigorously rub. We're stimulating the whole meridian, but also we're making space for energy to move. Let's do the other side with the knuckles underneath. This is on the pinky side. There's a channel here that runs on the pinky side of the inner arm, giving that source point a little extra attention through the palm, off the pinky. Do that twice. And as I am fond of saying, your energy medicine exercise is only as good as the breath that you bring to it. So breathe fully and completely. That means exhale fully. All right, now we're going to rub neurolymphatic reflex points. These are points that help to move the lymph relative to the heart. So they're just really straight up from the nipples. Find the sore spots. If they're sore, you've got the right spot. And just give that a nice deep rub. And now we're going to do something called the Artemis stretch. And with the Artemis stretch, we're going to adopt the posture and the attitude of the goddess Artemis, the huntress. So we're going to be in the posture as if we are an archer. This hand, though, is going to rest on the lung on the opposite side. Elbow is up. Hands are extended out. Fingers are taut. You're sending energy out through that hand. So inhale and exhale down the arm, off the fingers, clearing the heart, the lung, and the pericardium meridians. Inhaling, blowing down the arm and off the fingers. One more time. And now as you inhale, Bring that arm in and extend the other arm. I'm also turning my foot out so that I really have that archer's pose. Fingers are taut. Energy is shooting off of your fingers, clearing those 3 yin meridians, so related to our heart center. And with this final inhale, bring your hand to your chest. And as you exhale, bring love and compassion to yourself, just like you would extend it to anybody else. This time, you're bringing that into your own heart center. And now let's give ourselves a hug. Hug yourself. Kiss yourself. Say, I love you. I love you. I do. I love you. Now we're going to go back to this heart source point. This is heart 7. Same thing on both arms. Put your thumb there and around on the back side of your arm, just up from the wrist. You have heart 7. Small intestine 7, and small intestine 7 is called branch of the upright. It is the low connecting point between heart and small intestine. They're partners in the fire element, So with the thumb on the source point and the fingertips on this small intestine point, you can rest your hand wherever is comfortable, whatever works for you, and take a few deep breaths. And when I say deep breaths, I mean full breaths, and exhale fully. And let yourself relax. Small intestine 7 is known to resolve ambivalence and confusion, and it faithfully conveys the intent of the heart. So when we bring these two together, we're asking small intestine to help to convey what it is that we hold in our heart. Other side, thumb on the heart 7 point, fingers on the small intestine 7. And you don't have to think anything. You don't have to send your energy anywhere. You're just clearing your mind. You're clearing the space. You're allowing these points to connect and to do what they know how to do best. You could, if you wanted to, place your attention in your heart center and ask that the voice of your heart be heard. All right, and then finally what we're going to do is we're going to do some counterclockwise circles on the heart chakra. I'm going to put my left palm up. I'm using my right hand. This is not what I ordinarily do when I clear a chakra. This is what I'm going to do in this instance. Right hand is over the heart chakra, and I'm just going to make a few counterclockwise circles over the heart chakra. This kind of loosens things up. This loosens things up, and if you pull your hand gradually away from your chest, you'll help to pull out any of that burden, and then you can shake that off. And we'll do that a couple of times here to just open it up, loosen it up, pull a little bit of the debris, if you will, off of that heart chakra. And now, instead of going clockwise, what we're going to do is we're going to just rest our hand over the heart chakra, left palm up. The left palm is receiving from source, from the universe. And the mantra that we're going to use is simply, I am the I am presence, infinite and eternal. I am the I am presence, infinite and eternal. I am the I am presence, infinite and eternal. All right. I wish you many blessings on your heart, on the heart of your family, on the heart of your community, and on the heart of humanity. We can get through this together with compassionate, loving hearts and connecting with each other. Blessed be.